learning about even and odd numbers. Have any of my friends heard about even or odd numbers? Yes, Michaela.
I remember my brother learning about them, and I learned about them a little too.
Awesome, that's a great connection. I love that you remember that. So, of course, today, even and odd numbers. So we're going to do a quick little presentation, and I will teach you about them, and then we'll do some other activities. So first, even numbers can be larger or smaller numbers, and they are any number that ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So some examples would be 14, 38, 60, 22, or 6. These numbers can be shared equally between people. So if you have 2 people and 2 pieces of cake, that would mean each person would get 1 piece of cake. So that would be an equal amount, and there's nothing left over. Like I said, half of 0 is 0, half of 2 is 1, half of 4 is 2, half of 6 is 3, and half of 8 is 4. So these are all even numbers because they can be split. Odd numbers can be small or large numbers as well. These are numbers that end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Some examples are 11, 9, 87, 105, or 3. Odd numbers are never equally shared. So if you have 3 friends and 2 pieces of cake, you will have 1 friend that will not get a piece of cake. So like I said, 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 are odd numbers. Now we're going to watch a little video. You're welcome to sing along if you would like, but of course it's not required.
Get ready for your odd and even. Let's start with even. These numbers are even. In any season, there's a reason these numbers are even. And even number of things seen can be split evenly into 2 groups with nothing left. So what's even? Well, let's check. If it ends with a 0 or a 2 or a 4 or a 6 or an 8, it's even. If it ends with a 0 or a 2 or a 4 or a 6 or an 8, it's even. Yeah, if it ends with a 0 or a 2 or a 4 or a 6 or an 8, it's even. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, yeah, and plenty more. These numbers are even. These numbers are even. These numbers are even. Check it out. These numbers are odd. It's not that hard. I don't need a flashcard. These numbers are odd. An odd number of things seen cannot be split evenly into 2 groups. There's always something left. So what's odd? Well, let's check. If it ends with a 1 or a 3 or a 5 or a 7 or a 9, it's odd. If it ends with a 1 or a 3 or a 5 or a 7 or a 9, it's odd. And if it ends with a 1 or a 3 or a 5 or a 7 or a 9, it's odd. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, and lots more numbers as you can see. These numbers are odd. These numbers are odd. These numbers are odd. These numbers are odd. These numbers are odd.
Alright, so I hope that video helped you learn a little bit more about even and odd numbers, and of course we'll be referring back to that video later on as we move through the unit. But for now, I'd like to move on to some practice questions, so if you feel comfortable, I'd like you to raise your hand and give me an answer. For this first one, does anyone know how many squares there are? Yes.
4.
4 is 4 an even or an odd number?
Even.
Great job. Alright, does anyone know what this number is right here? Aislinn.
49.
49, is 49 an even or an odd number?
Odd.
Great job. Does anyone know what number this is right here? Michaela.
113.
Is 113 an even or an odd number?
Odd.
Good job. Does anyone know how many circles there are? Aislinn.
10.
10 circles, is 10 even or an odd number?
Even.
Even, great job. All right, now we're going to move on to our rhythm activities. So we have 4 different instruments. We have rhythm sticks, which I will be playing. We have a scraper. Who would like to play the scraper? All right, Michaela, thank you for volunteering. And then we have a drum. So you'll just bang it once. Who wants to play the drum? All right, thank you for volunteering. And then my last one is my shaker, it's my salt shaker. Aislinn, thank you. Okay, so we are going to pick one instrument that is going to play the entire rhythm. Does anyone have an idea of what instrument they want to play the whole time?
The drums.
The drums? Okay, we'll do the drums the whole time. So we have an X on each time the drum is playing. How about the shakers? When do the shakers want to play, Aislinn?
20, 84, 33, 59, and 100.
Awesome. Okay, Michaela, for the scrapers, when do you want to play?
15, 91, and 59.
Awesome. And then I'm the rhythm 6, so I'll play 15, 33, and 67. So we can all count together. We'll go 15 odd, and then if you have an X there, you'll bang your instrument or shake it or whatever. All right, so let's get started. So 15 odd, 20 even, 84 even, 91 odd, 33 odd, 22 even, 59 odd, 100 even, 67 odd. All right, great job, friends. I hope you learned a little bit about rhythm and a little bit more about even and odd numbers throughout that rhythm activity. So for our last activity, I have passed out a take-home worksheet that you are going to do. It just has a number, and below it, I just want you to write if it's an even or odd number. And then we will grade those tomorrow so I can see how you're doing. Thanks, friends.